Okay, we'll start now. Yes, Hiranmoy, you want to say something? Okay, regarding the all the preliminary things which you need to know regarding just before starting the Linux session already offered in the last class. Okay, so from today onward we will be directly going to the Linux. So if someone asks you what is Linux, what is your understanding? Okay, see, I will share this note in the WhatsApp group. Okay, after taking the class, I will share it in your group. See, whatever notes I am sharing in this class, it is necessary for your future purpose as well as for the exam purpose also. Okay, so you have to follow those notes only. So at first, all of you have to know that Linux is nothing but an operating system. Okay. So last class we had a good discussion regarding operating system. Okay. Many of you have already tell what is the function of operating system and what are the different operating system is available, right? So when you have to work in a computer, so this piece of software must be installed. Okay, the operating system can be of any time. Okay, it can be of Microsoft Windows, Linux, Mac, and what the Android. So without operating system a computer cannot work. Okay, now what is so special about the Linux? See, what I'm telling, Linux is one of the most popular version of operating system. Okay, now can you tell me, some one of you, where you have seen using the Linux? Does anyone seen the users of Linux anywhere? Are you there?
Mobile devices.
Yes, good. And any other? Please respond. Where you have seen the usage of Linux operating system, or yes or no? First of all, please answer me. Have you ever seen the usage of Linux in any of the device? If yes, where? If no, then I will give you
Yes,
answer. Where you have seen
mobile devices, sir.
mobile devices? Okay. And any other response from any
Some servers.
servers? Yes. Any other than Anupam? Can someone tell the application where you have seen? See, when you use your internet, that means all the internet servers are running mostly on the Linux. Okay. One thing, suppose all of you are using the Android operating system, right? This Android operating system is based on the Linux only. Okay, the base or the core of the Android operating system, your Mac operating system, is nothing but the Linux. Okay, so you can claim that 90 more than 95% of server in the world is powered by your Linux operating system. Okay, so when we're proceeding with the classes, you will know lots of facts regarding the Linux. Okay, it is open source as its source code is freely available. Okay, as you know, to writing any or to making any software or any program, you have to make some sort of coding. Okay, you'll see programming, C++, Java, okay, Python, shell script in Linux. So these all are the programming languages. Okay, using those languages we're writing some code. Okay, if you are writing or combining lots of codes, then these codes became the software. Okay, now the beauty of Linux is that the code through which Linux is developed is freely available in the internet. Okay, any one of you, if you are interested in making of your own operating system, then you can use the, okay, base code of any Linux operating system. Okay, last class we have shown you in this world there are more than 16 million different type of Linux. Okay, how it is possible? Because the base of the Linux code is freely available. Okay, now on top of this code, you are free to add your own credential. okay, or your own ideas, then it became the Linux of your name. Okay, so that's why it's called what the source code is free. In general, you see, whenever you go for Microsoft Windows, say 2010, okay, you are only finding the ESXi, sorry, .exe, uh, ES X file. Okay, using this, you can only run this software. Okay, now the source code is not available because Microsoft is not a free source. Okay, they are providing us with the free, sorry, not the free, rather than the paid softwares. Okay, in the paid software, only executable code is available to us. Okay, not the source code. You cannot make your own Microsoft type operating system. Okay, but you can create your own Linux operating system using the code which is freely available. It is free to use. Okay, you can develop your own operating system as well as to use the Linux, no need to buy any licenses. Okay, now the thing is that you have to decide which type of Linux you will going with. Okay, whether you are going with Ubuntu Linux, Red Hat Linux, okay, Minix or whatever. Okay, now you have to decide and you have to only use it, no need to go for the payment. Okay, but this statement is not true always. Okay, later on you will find some Linux where you have to pay some money. Okay, later on we will know, but in general sense we can conclude that Linux is 100% free software or the operating system. See, Linux was designed considering Unix compatibility. Okay, each functionality list is quite similar to that of Unix. Okay, Unix আৰু Linux তোমাৰ বহুতখিনি কি আছে তোমাৰ পৰা similarity আছে. Okay, so যিটো ষ্টাইলত তোমাৰ Unix এ কাম কৰিব, they using the same style the Linux will work. Okay, that means you can say that Linux and Unix are working style is almost similar. Okay, up to this paragraph, anyone have any doubt? What is free software? What is source code? Okay, and what's the difference between paid and the free source? If you have any doubt, then please let me know. I will try to help you. Or we will proceed towards the next. Is it okay to everyone?
Sir, can you repeat?
Okay, so see, in short, I'm telling Linux is an operating system. Okay, regarding operating system, anyone have any doubt? You know, all of you know what is operating system? Know what is operating system?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
yes.
sir.
Okay, someone is asking. Who is asking? Okay, someone is asking what is operating system. Do you need to repeat it? Please let me know.
No, sir, no.
Okay,
Sir,
no, na. Okay, then
just quickly review the
yes. What?
Linux operating system के बारे में थोड़ा
नहीं देखो लिनक्स तो अभी स्टार्ट हुआ है ठीक है
विशेष।
लिनक्स के बारे में हमने करना है पूरा विल गो द एंटायर सेमेस्टर डोंट वेरी okay I am just asking you if anyone have any doubt regarding operating system okay because Bonani ma'am have already
No, sir, no.
no na okay then I will continue towards the open source is there any doubt regarding open source or paid if someone asks you what is mean by open source are we able to answer or not please let me know what is meant by open source this is known to you or not or you want that I will repeat it open source see open source means what first of all you have to know the source that means by the help of the amount of source code through which a software is developed okay if this amount of source code is freely available to you then this type of software is called what the open source software okay that means suppose I have developed one software just for example very simple to add to number using C programming okay and I make this put statement available to all of you yes please
सर ओपन सोर्स का मतलब क्या कॉपीराइट नहीं रखता
no
इजी में करने के लिए
good
शॉर्ट में करने के लिए
yes good answer that means yes
कॉपीराइट का
कॉपीराइट नहीं रहता है ओके
कॉपीराइट का
কি কলা কপিৰাইট কা কি কলা
স্যাৰ ওপেন সোর্সটো মানে আপোনাৰ কপিৰাইটৰ কোনো ঝামেলা নাথাকে ফ্ৰী টু ইউজ চবৰ কাৰণে থাকিব ন সেইটো
ইয়েস ইয়েস মানে ওপেন সোর্স মানে কেনেকুৱা চোৱা ইয়াত তোমাৰ
স্যাৰ নেটৱৰ্কৰ
কপিৰাইটৰ কোনো টেনচন নাই ওকে আচ্ছা হাউ মেনি অফ ইউ হ্যাভ হিয়ার্ড এবাউট আ টার্ম GitHub GIT হাব কিমান জনে শুনিছা তোমালোকে GitHub
ইয়েস স্যার ইয়েস
Yes, sir.
ইয়েস স্যার
ওকে GitHub তোমাৰ কি হয় কোৱা এইটো তোমাৰ এটা
ইয়েস স্যার
কমিউনিটি প্লেটফৰ্ম হয় তোমাৰ য'ত তুমি কি কৰা তুমি
Open
এটা কোড বনাই তাত তুমি শেয়াৰ কৰি দিব পাৰা ওকে
Upload.
ইয়েস আপলোড
Yes, yes.
আপলোড কৰি দিয়া তাক যেনেকুৱা লাগে তাৰ পৰা কোডটো ইউজ কৰিব পাৰিব ঠিক আছে দ্যাট মিন্স ইয়েস গিভ ওয়ান good point that means to use this piece of code no need to buy any copyright okay this is free to be used by everyone okay the creator of the code is has made this code available to everyone okay that's why this type of software is called what the open source software that means source is open not closed okay this is open to everyone and free so this is called as FOSS FOSS okay this one FOSS free and open source software okay this one FOSS so that's why whenever you go for any institution or office like IITs and all always you'll find Linux is installed there why because you see to run the IIT there is a requirement of minimum 5,000 PCs okay then the government or the IIT administration will not buy Windows operating system for all okay they will use the free source okay that's why in most of the labs and the government offices you will find the Linux installed okay even whenever you find the Anandaram Burua Award PC from Assam government is there anyone who have win this prize কোনোবা আছে না ইয়াতে Anandaram Burua Award পোৱা
Yes, sir.
okay so what operating system
পাইছিলো sir মই
yes good and
sir okay
কি আছিলে কোৱা তোমাৰ Ubuntu right yes so
no sir
yeah by default
Yes.
Ubuntu operating system was installed okay is there anyone who have received this award other than Rinki is telling na other than Rinki is there anyone who has received this prize so those who received
me.
yeah good so what operating system was there Ubuntu Linux operating system right yeah so that means this is a free so no need to buy anything so for this type of community service purpose always they are preferring the Linux operating system because of this FOSS nature free and open source okay so I think your this concept is clear do you need any more discussion regarding free and open source or still anyone have any doubt please let me know okay so যদি কোনোবাই ইংলিশত হিন্দীত বুজি পোৱা নাই অসমীয়াত ক'ব লাগিলে ক'বা মই কম ঠিক আছে I know well these all three languages okay যদি অসমীয়াত ক'ব লাগে ক'বা যদি হিন্দীত ক'ব লাগিলেও ক'বা okay but my concept is that all of you should know the things okay then we'll proceed so দেখো আমি কি কি কম পালো কোৱা তোমাৰ ইয়ালৈকে we learn about the Linux we learn about the operating system we learn about what is free and open source operating system okay and
Yes.
Linux was designed considering Unix compatibility তাৰমানে তোমাৰ কেনেকৈ হোৱা যিমান বিলাক সফটওয়্যাৰ বা এপ্লিকেশন প্ৰগ্ৰাম তোমাৰ ইউনিক্সত কাম কৰিব এই গোটেই বিলাক তোমাৰ ইউটিলিটি বা এপ্লিকেশন সফটওয়্যাৰ তোমাৰ লিনাক্সত কাম কৰিব okay that means all the software or the application which is compatible with Unix is equally compatible with the Linux okay that means the working of Unix and Linux is almost similar okay now we will go towards the component of any Linux operating system okay last class we have seen what are the different component of any operating system okay you have some of you have tell me that sir in operating system there are the different modules say now apart from these what are the special components are there which is available in case of only Linux see first of all you will find the kernel Okay, this kernel is the everything of a computer. Okay, whenever you suppose to be you are discussing a particular computer. Okay, now see, can it be possible that without CPU one computer will exist? Is it possible?
No, sir.
No. Okay, it is something like that. Okay, is it possible that without the head one person will exist? কোৱা তোমাৰ? Or without the heart of a
No,
person,
sir.
the person will sustain? No. Okay, that means kernel is known as the heart or the brain of the operating system. That means all the processing are resides inside the kernel. Okay, this is nothing but some very low level standard codings. Okay, so these codings is called what? The kernel. The kernel is responsible for operating the operating system. Okay, always remember, operating system is responsible for operating the computer. Okay, and kernel is responsible for operating the operating system. That means that's why it's called what? A core or the heart of an operating system. That this is kernel. Okay, please have a look to this diagram. See, hardware, so this is the kernel. That means, so last class মই কৈছিলো তোমাক, so these two layers, cell and the kernel, is known as what? The operating system. Okay, someone is waiting. Okay, let me in him. Please try to join the class on time. Okay, otherwise you will or you will lose the connection of the class. Okay, so please try to log in time. So what I am telling, these two layers is called what? The operating system. So just on top of the hardware, kernel layer is there. That means all the operation that is going to be performed on the hardware or any of the layer in this, whether it may be this layer or that layer, always look after by this kernel. Okay, this one. You will find direct question. What is kernel? What is the functionality of the kernel? 5 marks. Okay, you will definitely find this question. Kernel is the core part of Linux. It is responsible for all major activities of this operating system. Okay, it consists of various modules and it interacts directly with the underlying hardware. Okay, that means if you want to do something on the hardware, that means all the code must passes through the kernel only. That's why we can claim that kernel interact directly with the hardware. Okay, see, we are interacting with that means I am interacting with you and you are interacting with me via the Cisco WebEx. Okay, that means we are not directly connecting. Okay, in the class we can communicate or we can talk directly. So this is direct communication, right? So that means something like that. This sales is suppose the students and hardware is me, right? And kernel is the Cisco WebEx. Okay, now to interact between Cisco WebEx between student and this layer is not required the intervention of any other layer. Okay, they can directly communicate with each other. Okay, this one. Again, someone is coming here. Ham Prakash Soikia. Please ask all of them to come join on time. Okay, otherwise it will distract the classes. Okay, as I told you earlier, I will not cut any of your attendance. Okay, if you are there for the last 1 minute also, then I will give you the attendance. But this is up to you. If you there in the class for the whole time, you learn lots of things. Otherwise, this is your loss. So please try to join on time. Okay, see, kernel provides the required abstraction to hide low-level hardware detail to system or application program. Okay, what is this? That means how you further, okay, bring money to home. This is not your concern. Okay, this is called abstraction. You will do all the hard work. ঠিক আছে, যিমান কষ্ট কৰিব লগা আছে your father will do. Only we have to read or study well. So this type of concept is called well the abstraction. That means users and the application programs are hidden from the lower level detail of the hardware. Okay, that means you no need to worry about from where you father has bring the monies, how what type of hard work he do for you. Okay, no need to worry about all the things. Only you just concentrate on your work. Okay, this type of things is called the abstraction. Okay, in object oriented programming in C++, you will learn this concept very well. Okay, so just for this time being only this much is required. That means application softwares are totally unaware about the configuration of the hardware. Okay, only suppose I need to take a printout of an picture, right? I'll just put the print command on the application software, right? Now how this print will be done in the printer, this is looked after by the kernel. Okay, so this is small introduction regarding the kernel. Okay, this one. So in kernel, is there anything doubt anyone have? Kabar kiba সুধিব লগা আছে in kernel? Please let me know.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Everyone clear? Everyone clear? Can I go? Can I go forward?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, kernelৰ কনচেপ্টটো অকল লিনাক্সৰ কাৰণে এপ্লিকেবল নে নে অল টাইপছ অফ উইণ্ডোজ?
So যিমান অপাৰেটিং সিস্টেম আছে তোমাৰ সবতে kernel থাকিব. Without kernel, no operating system will exist. Okay, তুমি উইন্ডোজ
Okay, sir.
লিনাক্স লোৱা ম্যাক লোৱা যি লোৱা তোমাৰ কার্নেল তোমাক লাগিব। Okay, yes,
Okay.
now we will go towards the next section. Next section is your the system library. So system library, see in your computer system when you go to the Microsoft Windows C drive, then you will find one folder called Windows. Wait for some time. Okay, one more
Yes, sir.
has appeared, Hargov Nath. He is in. So what I'm telling, when you go to the C drive of your computer, then you will find one. Okay, I'll show you. It's better, I will show you. In the C drive, go to the Windows. Okay, here you will find one folder called System32. System32. Okay, so inside this what a folder, you will find lots of .dll file, dynamic linking library. Okay, so here, so whatever program you have installed in your computer, all the record will be appeared inside this folder. Okay, say drivers. See, these all are the system libraries. These three were .c's. Okay, so these all are the system libraries. Okay, can you view the screen? Is my screen is visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the part of your operating system. Okay, the system library.
Yes, sir.
That means to run. Okay, I'll give one example from your C programming, right? Suppose you have written one piece of code to display your name. What you have done has include all these things. Okay, you are writing printf, my name is say xyz. Okay, when you compile this piece of code, okay, you probably seen that you are writing only 3 number of line, but during the compilation time there are more than 100 number of liners get compiled. Okay, now from where these 100 lines are coming? So this is coming from the library. Okay, system library. That means to interact with your hardware, monitor, keyboard and all, whatever different instruction is required, this is written inside the library. Okay, when you compile the process, that means these libraries are get called with the help of your hash symbol or the hash table, right? Also in this way your programming execution is taken place with the help of this system library. So the again one core component of your operating system is what? The system library. See, I am trying to give you lots of concept, okay, but for your exam purpose only you have to read this much only. Okay, Hargov Nath.
Yes, sir.
Hargov Nath फिर से आया है. Okay, this one. See, I will give you lots of information regarding different parts. Okay, but please don't get confused with this type of concept. Later on, you will learn all these things. Okay, only have to concentrate on this node only. Okay, this node I will share in the WhatsApp group or the Google Drive. Okay, next one is your the system utility. Okay, can someone tell me any of the system utility that you have used? System utility. Okay, how many of you are know aware about the term called system software? System software, how many of you know? Okay, see, we'll trying to build a concept, not to buy head the thing. ठीक है, इसको रट्टा नहीं मारना है. रट्टा मारने से 15 days में कोर्स सिलेबस खत्म हो जाएगा. ठीक है, रट्टा नहीं मारना है. Okay, what is meant by system software? What?
So which is provided by this system, operating system like
Okay, yeah, good.
Microsoft Word and etc.
Okay, what you are telling? Any other input from anyone? What is meant by system software? Okay, see, softwares are of two different type. One is your application software and next
Sir, it manage the
systems. Is it? It manage the what? Please.
sir, it's a computer program sir जो डिजाइन करता है कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर एंड एप्लीकेशन को रन करने के लिए.
Okay. Okay, I will give you one classification. Say software. Softwares are of two type. First की बाबा तुम्हारे पास system. System software. Next तुम्हें की बाबा application software. Okay, system software can be further classified into few more category. Operating system. Next you will find the utility software, and you will find a compiler.
Device driver.
Compiler, yes, device driver. Good point. I want to listen this. Okay, this word from you. DEVIC, device driver. So device drivers are the utility software. Okay, compilers, and so this much is sufficient. In application again you will find two different category. One is your package software and one is your customized software. Package software में क्या आता है बोलो? Someone tell me. MS Word. Okay, see, MS Word is not a system software. Okay, MS Word is a package software. Say MS Office. So it is come as a package. Okay, you are not allowed to make any changes. Okay, but you can take the example of a SAP, SAP, for or any ERP module. So these all are the customized software. Okay, company will recreate the application package as per your requirement. Okay, but MS Office, and you will find a VLC media player. Okay, Max player. You cannot make any changes to this type of software. Okay, so ये सब तुम्हारा just please hold on for some time. Some important call is coming. Yes, sir. Some of the class notes. Okay, sir. I'll call you. Yes. Am I audible? Am I audible, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So these all are the concept of your computer fundamental. Okay, I will not go elaborately. I will directly come to this part. Okay, so this is required to me. Device driver, you know. Suppose someone is coming again now. Please wait. Utkarsh Sharma. I will kill all of you. Okay, who has joined late, I will kill all of you. See, when you install any piece of hardware, okay, how the computer hardware operating system will come to know about these things. Okay, so you have to install the driver. Okay, nowadays all the drivers are already there inside your a piece of hardware. Okay, so no need to install it again. See, whenever you plug in your mobile phone and the pen drive for the first time, see, you please see the right right below corner. Okay, you will find that some of driver software is get installed. Okay, so this is one type of
Yes, sir.
utility. Okay, again I will give one example of this defragmentation. How many of you have done
Me, sir.
defragmentation?
Me.
Formatting of the computer, format. Okay, disk management. Okay, or you can say the control panel, control panel. So these all are the utility software. So this is nothing but your system software, okay, which is associated with the system, responsible for managing the system. Okay, they will not serve the purpose of any application. Okay, these are associated with the system management only. Okay, that's why this type of software is called what? The system software. Okay, is it clear, everyone? Is it clear what is
Yes,
system
sir.
software and what is utility or different other softwares? Okay, let me go to the main notes. Okay, system utility কি কি পাবা তুমি এইখিনি বস্তু পাবা। Okay, you will find all these things. The system utility will find all of them: device driver, this defragmentation, and all these different components. So what we can conclude? We can conclude that an operating system must have three important subcomponents. Okay, what are they? First one is the kernel. Kernel is what? Kernel is the core of any operating system. Okay, not the Linux. It is equally applicable to all the different type of operating system. Okay, see, kernel কি হব তোমার কোৱা? So whatever task I want to or we want to perform in the computer hardware, it is go or resolve via the help of your kernel. Okay, next one is your system library. System libraries are the collection of some pre-built code, okay, which is necessary to perform any task. And next one is your what? The system utility, to enhance the performance of any computer system. Okay, so whatever facilities required, this is provided by your system utility. Okay, is it clear or you need I will repeat once more again?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear, everyone? Are you there or not? Lots of students, but only one two voice I'm hearing. Tarifa, are you there? Yes. Oinam, is it okay? Are you following? Are all of you are
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay? Yes. Please let me know. Okay. Otherwise, I get confused. Please let me know. Okay. Otherwise, I get confused whether you were there or not. Okay. नहीं तो एक बुढ़ा आदमी चिल्लाते रहेगा, तुम लोग सो जाओगे. Okay, and this is not good. Okay, so this diagram you please remember. In exam, this type of question you may expect. Please describe in brief the component of Linux operating system. So you have to describe this type of question with the help of this diagram. Okay. So now we will learn one more topic today: the functions, or sorry, the features of your Linux operating system. Okay. So I think all of you know what is the features. Okay, suppose whenever you're going to buy one cell phone, first of all you will look the features. Kiki baba tomar ko, whether my phone is equipped with good quality of RAM or not. Okay, next we will see the display. Next we will see the touch screen. You see the color. Okay, camera quality, front camera, back camera. Okay, the battery, the charging time. Okay, so these all are the features. Okay, that means all the utility that is available with the piece of hardware or software, okay, are capable of serving my purpose or not. अगर ये चीज खरीदने से मेरा पर्पस फुलफिल नहीं होता है, then I will not go for buying this product. Okay, that's why just before going to confirm any product, we'll first of all see the features. Okay, this one. Following are some of the important features of Linux operating system. Next one is portable. Sorry, first one is what? The portable. Portability means software can work on different type of hardware in same way. Okay, we just take one example. Suppose there are two type of processor. One is AMD Ryzen processor and one is your Intel i5 processor. Okay, and AMD processor, MSI processor. There are lots of processors in the world. Okay, now the thing is that whether this Linux is capable of running on only on the Intel or only on the AMD. No, Linux is capable of learning in all different type of hardware. Okay, whether it may be your magnetic disk hard disk, whether it may be your what the solid state hard disk, so your Linux will run in all different type of hardware. That's why it's called what the Linux is a portable operating system. Okay, so what is portability মানে কি হয় চাই লোৱা suppose আমি different type of processor পাওঁ. First processor is from Intel, say suppose i5. Next processor is from say AMD, so Ryzen 5 and many more. Okay, now you can find that this Linux operating system is runnable in all different type of processor. That's why it's called what the portability or the portable. Okay, next one is open source. I think
Yes.
no more discussion is required to describe this point. Open source. Yes? Yes or not?
Yes.
Yeah, open source already we have discussed. That means the source code through which Linux operating system, its kernel, its patches are designed. This is freely available in the website. Okay, if you want to know the different part of your Linux operating system more, then you please go to this website, LINUX Linux Foundation. So this is the official website of your Linux operating system. Okay, linuxfoundation.org. You will find everything, and if you want, please try to join this website as a member. Okay, if someone is interested in designing this operating system and this advanced task, please go and join to this website. Okay, I will later on I will know give you some idea regarding different new products. Okay, इसवा अभी तुम लोग थोड़ा न्यू हो तो मैं इतना डिटेल में तुम लोग के नहीं लेके जा रहा हूँ, ठीक है, but may I will drive you to lots of different other things. Okay, so this is please I will share this address in the chat box. Okay, those who are interested, please note down and later on you can explore linuxfoundation.org. Okay, so this is the official website of your Linux operating system. That means in the world yeah, anyone is free to build a Linux operating system, right? But at last this Linux Foundation will give you the approval whether you can release this operating system or not. Okay, now you can do anything, but at last they will give you the final seal. Yes, your Linux is stable. Now you can launch it to the market. Okay, this one. So this is linuxfoundation.org. Okay, please have a look. Next one is multi-user. So what is meant by multi-user? Please tell me what is mean by multi-user.
More than one user can use it.
Okay, more than one user can work in this type of operating system. Okay, suppose in your home you have one computer installed with Windows 10 operating system. Okay, for your purpose you have created some user. Suppose your sister account, your father's account, your account, your brothers, and whatever member is there in your home, you have created different accounts. Okay, now in this computer everyone can do their own piece of work. Okay, but not at the same time. Okay, we'll continue with this discussion. Let me take the attendance. Okay, otherwise the session will be ended. Okay, we'll do one thing. Here is there. Rinki and others here is there. Sankalpa is there. Sankalpa Buru and Rinki, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please take the
Yes,
screenshot.
sir.
Okay, please take the screenshot. Okay, later on you please forward me in this WhatsApp group. I will update. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, please take. I think you have to take 2-3 screenshot because this link is too much long. Okay, and please remember, no students is going to be miss the attendance.
Okay, sir.
Okay, please take the screenshot and share it in my WhatsApp group. I will mark later on. Otherwise, it will consume lots of time. Okay, so the concept of multi-user
sir.
is what? See, that means in one system. Yeah, please tell.
Sir, some of has left the meeting earlier, so we have to give their attendance or not.
So there are two possibility. Okay, there may have some technical issue, no internet, nothing is there. Okay, then you must give the attendance. If they are deliberately going away of the class, they don't want to do the class, there are some other work, then please do not give. Okay, so please consider these two conditions. Okay, if there is technical problem, no one can do anything. Okay, then you can give the attendance. Okay, multi-user means what? Those computer where or operating system who support more than one user work in the same time. Okay, time is limited. See, your Windows 10 is a multi-user operating system. Okay, but you cannot claim it as a multi-user operating system. Why? Because no two user can work at the same time. Okay, but whenever you go to the Linux has the provision of working by two different user at the same time by using the two different terminals. Okay, so this is the concept of your multi-user operating system. Okay, so we will stop our discussion here. From next class onward, we will continue from
Yes.
the other different pieces. Okay, is there any doubt? Anyone?
No, sir.
Utkarsh, any doubt we have? Utkarsh Sharma, are you there? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Sir, no, sir.
Okay, are you following it? What I am telling?
Yes,
Okay, and see, I am randomly picking the names. Okay, and, Gunjan, are you following?
Sir.
Are you following it? What?
Yes, sir.
Okay, any doubt?
Yes, sir.
No doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, please let me know.
No, sir.
Tarifa, are you there?
Okay.
Tarifa, are you there? Yes, Tarifa, are you following? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt you have?
No, no.
Okay, thank you. So I'm requesting all of you, if you have any doubt at any moment, you can stop me and ask the question. Okay, I will definitely try to help you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Mm,
Thank you, sir.
yeah, good. Brahma, Moktang Brahma.
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Okay, from where you are?
From beginning, sir.
No. I am asking the place. From which place of this world you are?
Oh, I'm from Kokrajhar district,
Okay, Pokrajhar. Which area?
Kuchigaon.
Which area?
Kuchigaon.
Okay, I am
Kuchigaon.
okay. I